What's going on YouTube? This your boy DeVintage back at another video, man. Today we're gonna be talking about the Air Jordan 4 30th anniversary that dropped today. Before we get into this video, I need you right now to subscribe to the channel, ring the notification bell for your boys so you never miss another content drop. Follow me over at Instagram at DeVintageWorld and go ahead and share the video of you watching me, and I'm gonna go ahead and shout you out on my Instagram channel just like that, man. So let's get into the video. All right, as y'all know, today the Air Jordan 4 30th anniversary is dropped. I'm put a picture right here, but you already know what Jordan dropped today. That's probably why you tuned into the video. And I don't feel like these are worthy of being a 30th anniversary, any year. Why specify this shoe being a 30th anniversary, like the celebration? And this shoe is trash, bruh. The shoe is straight trash. Like, I'm not trying to trash the shoe or talk about the shoe too much where it don't deserve it. But honestly, these shoes should not be the 30th anniversary, you know what I'm saying? These should be like just a regular GR that nobody buys. Because you already know this shoes already retail for $200 today, and nobody's going for that. They even already got them going on sale on certain sites. If you don't follow J23 app, they let you know like a lot of sales and steals and stuff like that going on, and a lot of free shipping going on with this shoe. But $200 for this shoe, just check it out, whichever where I put it, it's a no-go for me, man. Like I said, they should have had some way better. I'm gonna show you one shoe that I feel like should have held just for this day. Bam, here you have it, the Air Jordan 4 royalties. They should have saved this shoe just for today, man. Just look at that, the gold hits, that nice suede right here. I only wore these a couple of times, but I feel like I need to pull these back in the collection. And I was just thinking, like, when I seen this shoe drop today, I didn't really see it like releasing last year. Like, I didn't hype it up. It was just like a regular GR. But this shoe right here, I feel like this one should have been the 30th anniversary. I was thinking about this shoe. I was like, man, why didn't they just save this shoe for 2019 for like one of the biggest milestones? I feel like 30th anniversary of, you know what I'm saying? That's just crazy to me. Like, the shoe they dropped today, it has like a lot of different stuff, and I think it has like some words and stuff like that backing up Jordan brand. But like I said, I don't feel like it was worthy. Y'all let me know in the comment section below if I'm tripping, and also let me know in the comment section below if you feel like these should have been the 30th anniversary Jordans, man. Check these out. These are way better than the Jordan 4s I dropped today, and these retail for $10 less, you know what I'm saying?
Oh my God!
And these also hit like the sales rack and stuff like that. But later on, this shoe is going to be like one of those shoes that people was like, man, I should have copped, and the resale is going to start jumping up on these things. And right now, I feel like I think they're going for like $250 or above, but when the shoe released, this shoe was like going for under retail, man. So I can see this shoe definitely skyrocketing up. I feel like they would have threw like a wrapper or something like that with any shoe. I guess I could say if they put a name on a lot of these shoes, they would sell out. But just imagine they threw a name on this one, it would have been crazy, man. They got the gold hits all around the shoe, and it was a GR. Like, that's crazy, man. These should have definitely been the 30th anniversary 4s. Y'all let me know in the comment section below if you copped those today. Like I said, I know I passed. I actually was going to do a review for you guys and kind of do like the same little rant about why these were the 30th anniversary, because I feel like they shouldn't have been the 30th anniversaries. Just like last week with the 6s, they did not get them in my local shoe store, and it's kind of crazy how I can't do a lot of reviews that I want to do for my channel and bring shoes to the channel, but it is what it is. Hopefully all that changed very, very soon. Hopefully it changes very, very soon, please. But yeah, also today the Air Foamposite ones Midnight Navies dropped today. Check them out. As y'all know, I'm a big Foamposite fan. I didn't cop a pair besides the Galaxy 2.0s, and also the shoot around Fear Guys dropped today as well, and it's going for crazy. I think they went for like $350. I think it was $350 or $300, which is crazy, man. I might get a pair of these just to have in the collection, but I'm not a huge fan of them. But I feel like I should, you know what I'm saying, expand the collection. I feel like these are more on a high fashion, things like Balenciagas and shoes like that. And this shoe right here is going to stay doing crazy numbers and prices just because of that fact. Also today, the Blazer Mid 77s in the blue, red and green colorway drop. Y'all let me know if y'all copped any of these. I know I was definitely feeling the off-whites they dropped of these, but nigga saying every time I get an L on sneakers out when some heat drop, and I'm not about to be paying no $800 for those shoes. That's crazy, and my wife's gonna kill me. But yeah, y'all let me know in the comments below how I feel about these 30th anniversaries. Let me know what you copped today. It's a quick video. I just want to show my face, talk to my subscribers, and right, my subscribers, you already know I reply to all the comments. And like I said, the Air Jordan 4 royalty should have definitely been today's shoe drop, and I feel like it would have did better justice for Jordan brand 30th anniversary, man. So y'all let me know in the comments below if you cop. Let me know what you finna cop in the near future. I know everybody is thinking about these infrared 6s. I cannot wait to cop a pair. I did not cop a pair in 2014 due to the fact that I didn't have money like that. You know what I'm saying? I didn't have money to buy shoes. Especially not every release. I think the only shoes I bought in 2014 that I can remember is the Laney 5s. I think those released in 2013, if I'm not mistaken. In 2014, the infrared, or not the infrareds, the Carmine 6s dropped. I got them on the day that I graduated. There's a lot of meaning behind that shoe to me, and that's why it's my favorite shoe. But yeah, make sure you subscribe to the channel, ring notification bell for your boy. Share the video on Instagram if you watching me, and I'm gonna shout you out, and I'll follow you right back over there. I'm gonna catch you guys in the next one, man. Peace.